Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I obviously have another hair video for you guys. I'm super excited to bring this to you guys today. If you guys like hair videos here on my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That just lets me know what type of videos you guys like here on my channels. I know that hair videos are really popular here, so I'm super excited for this video today. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jess. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel down below before you leave, and also while you're down there, don't forget to hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every single time I upload, which is every Tuesday and Saturday here on my channel. And I upload a wide spectrum of videos including beauty, fashion, lifestyle, food, hair, all types of things. So if any of those things interest you guys, I definitely suggest subscribing to my channel. But yeah, for today's video guys, I have a conditioner review, and if you guys would like to see what my thoughts are on the conditioner, let's go ahead and get right. I also apologize for the stain on my shirt. I just don't feel like changing, so I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down. My hair's been in the towel for a little while, so it's pretty dry almost now because I ate some lunch, did my makeup a little bit. I'm filming a few videos today, so I wanted to have my hair done for you guys. So, for today's product, I use the Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration Hibiscus shampoo. I really like that shampoo with my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist. My hair feels so good right now, you guys. Super hydrated. So I think I really like the shampoo from that line. I just recently did a review on that Maui Moisture line. If you guys are interested, I'll have it linked up in the cards above. But yeah, it's like really good with my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. I really like it with that. So that's like a new combo of mine. Well, today's my first day trying it, so we'll see how it reacts and everything. But as you guys can see, I'm like gliding through my hair right now, which is super duper nice. So for today's video, I have a review on this Every Strand Earthly Hair Essentials Keratin with aloe vera and vitamin E hair mask for chemically treated hair. Helps repair damage caused by chemical treatments. If you guys didn't know, I am relaxed, which is a chemical processing on your hair. I don't think my hair is chemically damaged, but I definitely do have chemically treated hair. So it has keratin, which strengthens, protects, and has anti-breakage benefits. It has aloe vera and vitamin E, rich in amino acids, helps retain moisture, contains antioxidants, and it has no parabens, no sulfates, and no DEAs. It says why you need it. This luxurious formula will transform the way your hair looks and feels, instantly penetrates hair fibers to help repair and nourish every strand. It says a creamy hair mask enriched with keratin, aloe vera, and vitamin E to deeply repair hair damaged by chemical treatments. The miracle treatment for visibly soft and manageable hair. It says after shampooing, apply keratin hair mask generously from roots to end and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as desired. So we shall see about that. I'm definitely going to leave it in for longer than 3 to 5 minutes. You guys know I don't feel like that's enough time for a deep conditioner to penetrate your strands at all. So I choose to leave mine in for probably about like 20 minutes or so. Sometimes it's longer because I forget that it's in, honestly, and I'm too lazy to rinse it out. But we're just going to leave it in for 20 minutes today because, like I said, I have other videos to film. So my other spray bottle actually broke, which is really annoying. I have to order another one on Amazon, but we're just using the old school ratchet spray bottle today. So I'm just dampening my hair up because, like I said, it did get pretty dry from being in the towel while I did my makeup and I ate. So we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up, see how it smells and the consistency of it. I can't Illuminate. Okay. There you go. That's a little better. Okay, so let's see the consistency. Okay, so you know what this actually looks like? My Jamaican Black Castor Oil deep conditioner from Shea Moisture. It looks just like that. It smells really good. It has like kind of a floral fragrance to it. Ooh, it feels really nice in the hair, guys. I've tried a deep conditioner from this brand. I forgot what it was called, but I think I liked it if I'm not mistaken. I picked this up from Walmart. I just got the little foil packet because I've realized that it's easier just to get like the trial sizes of deep conditioners, because that way you can try it out and you don't have to buy the full size of it if you don't like it. So that's what I'm trying to do here. But this feels really nice in my hair, guys. Feels super good. It feels super moisturizing but strengthening as well. I feel like this might be a dupe for the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, but let me not speak too soon. So I'm going to do another section here for you guys. I actually did trim my ends as well. I got a little scissor happy just because I had a few like split ends, dead ends if you will, and I just was ready to chop those off, you know? Like, I just didn't feel like having them. It just made everything in my hair super like difficult to do, if that makes sense. It is pouring raining outside now. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it is pouring outside right now. It's actually Labor Day when I'm filming this, so I have the day off, so that's why I went ahead and said, oh, let me wash my hair, film some videos for you guys. So yeah, it feels really good, guys. It feels really, really moisturizing. I was going to use this last week, but my hair is feeling super dry, so I just went ahead in with my, what conditioner did I use? I don't remember what conditioner. Oh, the banana from the ORS, the banana and bamboo, I believe it was. Just because my hair was feeling super dry and just like unmanageable, kind of. So I just went ahead and used that, but this week my hair felt pretty normal. So you guys think like I film these videos every time I wash my hair, and sometimes I do. It just honestly depends on how my hair is feeling. If I see that my hair needs something specific and the deep conditioner that I want to try for that week isn't catered to that, then I won't film a review that week, if that makes sense. So I'm really liking the way this is feeling so far, you guys. It's gliding in my hair really easily. It's super easy to detangle. I'm impressed. And how do we feel about this new background? I want to get a new like background, like colored background maybe for my videos. Like just something different, like something for the fall time and for winter time and for like Christmas time. So I just want to improve my content for you guys always. So you let me know how you like it, because I'm literally just like centered in my room in front of my closet, whereas before I was in the corner, and I sometimes felt like it looked like I was really cramped in the corner, if that makes sense. I feel like you guys like were like right on top of me when I was in the corner, but if you guys like that better, I can definitely just scoot everything over. I just kind of wanted something different, you know? Different is good. Change is good. So how are you guys? I feel like I haven't chit-chatted with you guys like since my chit-chat get ready with me that I uploaded. If you guys haven't checked that out, talking all about my graduation and the trials and tribulations that it took to get there. But yeah, let me know how you guys are. What are you guys up to? I know that it's back to school season for a lot of you guys, so good luck in all of your studies, everyone. This is the first time in like 20 years that I'm not going back to school, and it feels very strange. Like, I was in Walmart like looking at all like the back to school stuff, and I was like, I don't need any of this. It was super duper weird, but I'm super duper grateful for the season that I'm in where I don't have to worry about homework or school right now. But I'm enjoying it while I can, because I definitely want to go back to grad school. So, go back for grad school. I haven't started grad school yet. But, yeah, so I'm just enjoying filming for you guys, working, just trying to work on things that like I finally want to do, instead of like just having to focus on school, because like I'm a student, you know, so it's really nice. Like going to the gym and all that stuff. So let me know if any of you guys are going back to school, what grade you're going into, if you're starting college. I have a pretty wide demographic here on YouTube, so it's really cool that I'm able to see like where you guys live and your ages and stuff. My biggest demographic is 18 to 25, which is really cool because I'm 24. So I feel like you guys can really relate to me, and even if you're older, I feel like that's really cool, because like a lot of you guys say that I remind you of like your granddaughters or your daughters and stuff, so that's really cool too. I'm gonna finish up this section here and then head off camera to do the other side, because I don't want to keep you guys here forever. I just love talking to you guys. Alrighty guys, all of the conditioner is in my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and let this sit for about 20 minutes or so, rinse it out, and I will be back to show you guys what my final thoughts are. And we're back! So it has been about 10-15 minutes. I felt like this conditioner would be fine with just a little bit of amount of time in my hair. Not a little bit, but I mean the directions say 3 to 5 minutes, so I did about 10, so there's that. So my hair feels really good, you guys. It feels hydrated, it feels strengthened, which is super duper nice. So I give this one 2 thumbs up for me. As you guys can see, my comb is gliding through my hair. You saw it just came out of the towel. So I really like this. I don't think it's like, wow, amazing, like you have to go out and grab it type of a thing. But if you're looking for a conditioner for your relaxed hair that will work, will strengthen it, will hydrate it without like too much fuss or anything, I definitely suggest this one. It's really inexpensive because it's like a little foil packet, but I have no complaints, you guys. My hair looks shiny, it looks moisturized, and it feels really, really good. Like, it doesn't feel weighed down or, you know, super dry or anything. I am really enjoying this mask, guys. So let me know if you guys have tried out this Every Strand mask before. If you haven't, I definitely suggest it. It's really, really nice. It's, you know, I can't complain. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave, and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Bye. Quick before I leave you guys, I just wanted to pop on and show you guys how much hair I lost, which is not any, like, at all. It's barely just like a few strands, if that. So this is really great for detangling and for, you know, anti-breakage, I think. So that's also a point that I just wanted to add in here before we go ahead and log out. So yeah, I just wanted to add that point. And as you guys can see, once again, my comb is just gliding through it. So I just really am loving this mask right now.